Refrigeration reinvented. Turbo Air's Super Deluxe Glass Door Merchandisers. These top-of-the-line units feature triple-pane heated glass doors, digital temperature control with turbo cooling and freezing, our patented self-cleaning condenser, and a shadow-free LED advertising panel to enhance any shopping experience. The Super Deluxe Glass Door Merchandiser not only grabs your customer's attention with its attractive display and easy grip handles, it's also a leader in energy conservation and savings. And Turbo Air's warranty guarantees 3 years on parts and labor and 5 years on the compressor, making it the best in the business. The triple-pane refrigerator doors are equipped with low-emissive glass, which reduces heat gain from the outside. This pioneering technology makes the unit more energy efficient by minimizing heat transfers and decreasing condensation. And the doors are lightweight yet durable, perfect for repeated use. A digital temperature control and monitor system comes standard. And the turbo cooling and freezing functions allow you to instantly drop the temperature of the unit with the press of a button. In addition, Turbo Air has created an algorithm to maintain optimal temperature while reducing energy consumption. This programming allows the evaporator fan to activate only when needed, keeping the storage area at the perfect temperature round the clock, while conserving energy by at least 15% and increasing the life of the compressor by up to 30%. Best of all, the Super Deluxe Glass Door Merchandisers will run smoothly for years to come. Introducing our patented self-cleaning condenser, which saves thousands of dollars in maintenance costs and hundreds of hours in lost time. A fine mesh filter catches dust, while rotating brushes run daily to move dirt away from the condenser. This revolutionary device comes at no additional cost. Join the Turbo Air family today and enjoy flawless design, state-of-the-art technology, and the fastest service in the industry, all at an incredible value. Every customer has the right to choose the best product. Turbo Air. Refrigeration reinvented.